Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this colour revealed Barbie that was sent to me from ToyDip, which is a store that sells lots of amazing toys. This is from the Barbie Confetti Party series and there are 5 dolls to collect. The set comes with 6 surprises including a Barbie Chelsea doll and 4 mystery bags with accessories inside. Inside the first mystery bag is a colour revealed Chelsea. She has ginger hair, green eyes and is wearing pink lipstick. Her outfit is covered in a pink metallic paint with a confetti pattern. To reveal the outfit, fill the tube with warm water, then insert the doll and swirl her around. The water turns pink and when the doll is pulled out, her outfit is revealed. She's wearing a dark purple leotard that has a confetti pattern and she's also wearing red glittery tights. Another fun feature about this toy is that you can use ice cold water to change the colour of her hair and then warm water to change it back, and you can repeat this process again and again. Now it's time to open the rest of the mystery bags. Inside this one is a metallic blue hairband. In the next one there is a skirt that has a confetti pattern. Inside this one is a red balloon. And in the last mystery bag is a pair of clear blue glittery shoes. The doll's look is now complete. What I love about this doll is the unboxing experience is full of surprises. The colour reveal, the blind bags and cute accessories all add to the fun, and what's also great is that you can collect other dolls and mix and match their accessories. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing. Also make sure to check out ToyDip.com and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye!